Hey, this is Mike, and it's official. The EV truck wars have started. If you've been following my channel, you know that in the past week or two, I've been doing videos on General Motors and Ford talking about these are two stocks that are likely to outperform over the next 12 months. And boy, General Motors is getting started now. Today it was up, or yesterday it was up almost 7%. In the pre-market right now, this is Wednesday morning, it's up another 2%. Looks like the market really liked the reveal of the Hummer EV truck. This Hummer EV truck is, I think, going to be a huge success. This truck looks amazing for a traditional truck that has EV power. And the reason why I do think General Motors is going to have an amazing advantage here is that it, the EV Hummer looks like a traditional pickup truck, and there are going to be a lot of people who are going to want the power and technology of an EV truck, but they don't want the non-traditional look of the Cybertruck. And because of that, GM is going to have a great edge on Tesla in that respect. I do think the Cybertruck is going to get a lot of sales and it will be a positive for Tesla, but I also think that the Hummer EV is going to be a huge positive for General Motors. The price on the EV first edition truck is high. It's over six figures, but I do think they'll bring that price down. It's just they want to get people who are so excited about a Hummer pickup that they're willing to pay any price. So I'm sure they were pretty knowledgeable about where to price the Hummer EV truck. But also look at Ford, because Ford was rising really well too. It was up 2%, and the stock is up again in pre-market. I feel like I did a video last week saying that Ford could double in price in the next 12 months. When I did that video, the stock was sitting probably about where it is right now, but I do think the potential Ford has, they're not only going to have EV trucks come in, they have the Ford Mustang Mach-E. I think that's going to be a really big seller, especially for people who want like an EV SUV that looks like a performance SUV. You know, even though like the Model Y for Tesla is a great performer, it doesn't have performance looks. I think the Ford Mustang Mach-E will have that performance look that a lot of people are looking for. But I do think that definitely Ford is going to take that EV technology, put in their F-150, which is the best-selling pickup truck on the planet, and they're going to sell a gazillion of those. So Ford is going to do really well with EV trucks. General Motors is going to do well with EV trucks, and Tesla's going to do well with EV trucks. So I think you can't go wrong looking at any of these three stocks. However, you may see some outperformance with General Motors and Ford just because General Motors and Ford have a low market cap compared to Tesla. So no one's looking at these two stocks, and there's a lot of potential movement for both of these stocks. Plus, Ford pays a huge dividend, almost 8% dividend. General Motors pays a huge dividend, 4%. So both of these stocks I think are actually good for people who may not want the volatility of a Tesla, maybe a little more value oriented, a little more conservative in their portfolio. Ford and General Motors, definitely two stocks to look at as winners in the EV truck war. So if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor, leave a like. This will help you find more of my videos. I do breaking multiple videos every day on stocks and the stock market. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.